Hello guys, uh, in this video we are going to see logstash installation and configuration. Previous video we configure Kibana, and in this video we are going to see logstash installation. I divided this part into two part, Kibana and logstash installation. Okay, we are done with Kibana installation. We'll configure logstash, we'll install logstash and configure with basic configuration. Okay, for this we need to install will be root user exit. So we are root user. I'll go home, Centos, or here we'll download logstash. So we have logstash tarball. Same thing we'll do tar ls-ltr tar x xvzf logstash. Same thing we'll do. It will extract everything. Okay, we are done with extraction. We will move this to opt elk, our elk home, and after that uh, we'll change permission to, we have ch own already. Okay, this one will do. After that we'll go to opt at opt elk logstash ls-ltr. We'll go to config, control L, pwd, we do ls-ltr. You'll see YML file. So here we need to create one config file, where it is. Okay, this one will make it as a log elk slash logstash elk logstash. Okay, copy, create here. In most of the cases you will see default file over here. So here this is the configuration. So just copy and paste here. I'm pulling this elk cluster log and pushing into log data. So duplicate ls-ltr, sorry, ltr pwd. I created as a root, so I have to change ownership. Is very important, guys. Okay, this one be the Centos. Copy this, cd bin bin pwd. Okay, now you'll see the magic. Start it. Using logstash, you have to feed logstash conf file. So it will start. You will see logs. So I will show you how to check, how to see logs. Okay, boom. It will show you log also. because we put it codec, so JSON format will show you logs. Okay, the next step is, see here it's generated. See, it's generated here. Management, go to, so okay, management, go to elasticsearch. You will see here. So what you need to do, go into here, you won't see anything, nothing is here. Okay, so go to management, index, you will see log data. Why log data? Because see, our index name is log data, that's why. Log data, okay, copy, put over here. Next option, timestamp, create. So it will create here index for Kibana visualization. See, all data coming, all data coming. Okay, cool, it's created. Now what you need to do, go to visualize. You will see this log data here. See, started login. So you have to everything from where you are getting logs, what message you are getting, what is the host name. Pretty cool, right? So every auto refresh, it is auto refresh, so you have to just make it 5 second or 10 second, so every 10 second it will refresh. So pretty cool, right? So you will see you can find everything from here, info. If you have error morning, see, if you want to search one here, so you will see warning if it is there, right? See, error. Okay, error is there. See, it's very cool, very awesome monitoring tool. So I think you enjoyed this video. This is a configuration of logstash for simple logging. So in next video we are going to see pipeline with logstash, elasticsearch and Kafka, and we'll visualize that our messages into Kibana. So hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and if you have any suggestion, please let me know. Thank you guys. Thank you very much.